Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Unwatched Recipes channel. I will use 2 chickens to make a chicken barbecue and chicken meatball recipe. Pepper paste, olive oil and yogurt, spices, thyme, grains of black pepper, cumin, garlic, rosemary, ground red pepper, ground ginger, salt and some curry. In addition, for the meatballs, I will use breadcrumbs, eggs, and some animal fat. Preparation of chickens. I cut off the wings of the chickens and cut the ends off and then cut them in half. I cut and separate chicken thighs. I cut at the joints and remove the thighs. I'm pulling out the bones in it all. I cut the chicken thigh in half in the middle. I cut out the chicken cage part. There are 2 fleshy areas on the back of the chicken. The chicken is called a butterfly. Skin off chicken breast. I'm removing chicken breasts. I separate the extra pieces of breast to make meatballs. I cut the chicken breast thinly. I prepare the other chicken in the same way. Chicken pieces prepared for 24 pieces of barbecue. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. I need to buy a car, you can leave a tip, support me. Now I put the chicken thighs in the bag and hit it on it. I cut off the feathered edges of the wings and look for a scratch in the middle with a knife. Yogurt, olive oil and pepper paste. I grind all the spices in a stone mortar to pulverize and blend. Crushed garlic. I add the chicken to the sauce and mix it well. I take the chicken out of the saucepan and use the rest of the sauce for the meatballs. To make chicken patties, I chop the chickens with a large knife and prepare them in the form of minced chicken. I can make the job a little easier. I add chopped cow fat. I keep chopping and crushing. Minced chicken goes into mixing bowl. Now I smash the dry bread by putting it in the bag. I add breadcrumbs and 1 egg, some salt and finely chopped onion. I squeeze the excess juice of the onion and add it. I mix and knead well. I cut it into pieces of 40 to 50 grams. I give the shape of meatballs by pressing between my 2 hands. The chickens are ready, and now I have prepared the charcoals for the barbecue. The result will be amazing. If the barbecue is on fire, add some ash. The aromatic smell of crushed spices is great. Definitely do not forget to crush the spices from now on. Now I add the meatballs and wait until they are brown. Definitely don't say you don't need chicken when there is meat. Kids love chicken meatballs more. See you in a new uninteresting video. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.